Hi, welcome to another episode of IF and Dhaba. Today we are going to be doing Matar Wale Chawal. So to know the recipe, keep watching. So let me walk you through the ingredients of Matar Wale Chawal. So we require 1 cup of raw rice which has been soaked for about half an hour. So 1 cup of rice, then we have 2 cups of peas, salt per taste, coriander leaves for garnishing, 2 to 3 slit green chilies, 1 teaspoon jeera, 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we have about 2 cardamoms, about 4 cloves, 4 peppers, cinnamon 2 to 3, 1 aniseed as well as green cardamom, and 2 to 3 bay leaves. So these are 2 onions large which have been thinly sliced, and most importantly 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. So let's get cooking the Matar Wale Chawal. So here goes in the oil. Waiting for the oil to get heated. The oil is heated. Now I add in the jeera. In go the cloves, in go the black pepper, in goes the cinnamon, the black cardamoms, the aniseed, open the green cardamoms, in go the bay leaves, just stir it nicely, in go the green chilies, and then we add in the onions. Now we have to wait for the onions to turn a nice golden brown color. So I will just add in a little salt so the onions sweat faster and get done quicker. Yeah, so you can see the onions. They have turned a nice brown color, and this is the color we require. We don't have to make them too dark, otherwise they get bitter. So now I add in the peas. In goes the salt. We don't add any chili powder because we've already added pepper and green chilies. Coriander leaves for the flavor. Give it a nice quick toss. So now we mix the peas well with the onions. Now I will add in the water. These are 2 cups of water. Stirring it well. The peas and the rice will cook together. Waiting for the water to come to a boil, and then I will add the rice. So now you can see that the water has started to boil, and now I will add in the rice. Now just stirring the peas and the rice together. Now I will cover it with the lid and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So here, let's open the lid. And we have our rice which is ready. As you can see that each grain is separate, and there's lots of peas in it, lots of matar. That is why we take this proportion of 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of peas. And now we will just add in the coriander leaves. And so here our Matar Wale Chawal are ready. So here are the Matar Wale Chawal ready to be eaten. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Any queries, comments, write in.